Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need an updated OneDrive app and a signed-in Microsoft account. Once you have that, open the OneDrive icon in the taskbar or menu bar. Click Sign In, enter credentials, and accept the basic permissions. This creates your OneDrive folder. Next, when prompted, choose the folders you want to sync now. Make sure to include Documents and Desktop if you rely on them. These steps create the local OneDrive folder that File Explorer will display. Once done with initial sign-in, open OneDrive settings and go to Account to choose folders to sync. You can pick specific subfolders rather than everything. Enable Files on Demand so placeholders appear in File Explorer and only download files when opened. This saves disk space. If you want desktop and documents synced automatically, use known folder move. Make sure you confirm the replacement to avoid duplicate files. These settings control what appears and how much local space is used. Now verify. Open File Explorer and find the OneDrive folder. Check the status icons, cloud, syncing, or green check to confirm file state. You can right-click any file and choose Always Keep on this device to force a local copy or free up space to revert to online only. If sync stalls, restart the OneDrive app. If issues persist, unlink and relink your account in Settings, then reselect folders. That usually resolves permission or connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.